Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about something that confuses a lot of English learners, the difference between present perfect and past perfect. Don't worry if these tenses sound a bit tricky because I'll break them down step by step. We'll look at clear examples, fix common mistakes, and even do a mini practice exercise together. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand the difference and know exactly how to use them. All right, let's start with the present perfect tense. This tense is all about connecting the past with the present. We use it when something happened in the past, but it still matters, or it's still true right now. For example, I have visited London twice. This is about my experience. It happened in the past, but the fact is still true now. I have been there 2 times. She has already finished her homework. The action happened in the past, but result is important in the present. Her homework is done. We have lived here for 5 years. The action started in the past and it's still true today. Just remember this simple formula. Present tense is past action plus connection to now. That's the key idea. Now let's talk about the past perfect tense. This tense is used when we want to describe something that was already completed before another action in the past. Think of it as the past of the past. One action happened first and then another action followed. For example, I had finished my homework before dinner. First, I finished my homework, then dinner happened. She had already left when I arrived. First, she left, then I arrived. They had studied English before moving abroad. First, they studied English and later they moved. Just remember, past perfect is the earlier past action before another past action. It helps make the sequence of events clear. Now let's compare the two tenses so you can see the difference. Present perfect connects the past with the present. We use it when something happened in the past, but it is still important now. For example, I have seen that movie. I am talking about it right now. So the experience is connected to the present. Past perfect connects the past with another past action. We use it when one action happened before another action. For example, I had seen that movie before she invited me. First, I saw the movie, then later she invited me. Think of it in this way. Present perfect, past plus now, past perfect, past plus earlier past. Okay, let's clear up some common mistakes because many learners get confused here. I had finished my homework now. This is wrong because now means it connects to the present. So we need present perfect. I have finished my homework now. She has already left when I arrived. This is wrong because we are talking about something that happened before another past action. When I arrived. For that, we use past perfect. She had already left when I arrived. Just remember, use present perfect when the action matters now. Use past perfect when one action happened before another past event. Alright, now it's practice time. I'll show you some sentences with blanks. Your job is to pause the video, think, and fill them in with correct tense. Ready? Let's go. I dashed that movie 3 times. The correct answer is I have seen that movie 3 times. Why? Because this is an experience that connects to now. Present perfect. She dash before he arrived. The correct answer is she had left before he arrived. Why? Because her action happened before another past action. Past perfect. We dash here since 2010. The correct answer is we have lived here since 2010 because it is started in the past and is still true now. Present perfect. They dash the work before the meeting started. The correct answer is they had finished the work before the meeting started. Why? Because finishing the work came earlier than another past action, past event, past perfect. Always ask yourself, does it connect to the present? Use present perfect. Did it happen before another past action? Use past perfect. So remember, present perfect is equal to past action plus connection to now, and past perfect is earlier past action before another past action. If you master these, your English will become much clearer and more confident. Thanks for watching. If this lesson helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment your own examples of present perfect and past perfect below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.